Hello students, welcome to the class. In today's video, I am going to explain the basic terms of spreadsheet and I will come one by one. Okay, the first of all, we are going to explain that the cell. What is a cell? Cell means intersection of rows and columns, and if you are able to see here that I have already made a page of a spreadsheet. So there are certain columns named as with alphabets and rows with the numbers 1 2 3 or 5. Okay, when we what is a cell? Cell is the intersection of rows and columns. Okay, so when we combine row and column, then we will find out one cell. Suppose the row column is A and row is 1, so combining these two got one cell called A1. Okay, so A and 1, so A is the column and 1 is the row. Okay, and this selection is called the cell, this one. Okay, similarly if I write B5, so this one is the cell. Okay, so this is the cell. The second thing, this is the cell, and the next one is active cell. And what is the active cell? Active cell means the cell which you select. Okay, the cell which you select is called the active cell. Whatever cell it is, doesn't matter, but when you select a cell, that cell is called the active cell. Okay, then next term is range. What is a range? Range means combination of cells. And what is a combination of cells? Suppose you there are certain numbers are there, 1 2 3 4. Now certain numbers are, certain things are there here. Okay, and you want to select from first cell to last cell, that is from row 1 row A to row I. This one is I. Okay, so what is the range of the cell? Cell starts from A1. Okay, so A1, and where it ends on I1. Okay, so I1. Okay, so how many cells are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 cells are there. Okay, so the combination of these are separated by a column. Okay, so this column, the first cell and the last cell. This one is first cell, I am going to write it as FC, and this one is last cell, I am going to write it with LC. Okay, so first cell and last cell, when you combine these two cells, so it becomes a complete combination of cells. So this combination of cell is called the range, and sometimes it also called as cell range. Okay, the next one is name box. Name box is a place where the name of the active cell is displayed. Okay, as if you are able to see here, as soon as you select a cell, the name of that cell will appear in that particular box, and that particular box is called the name box. Okay, as you suppose you select the A1 cell, so here on the just above the seat on the left hand corner there is a box, and there the name of the cell will be appeared like this one. The first one is column and second one is row, like A1 is appeared. So this one is called the name box. This is the name box. Okay, whatever you select, the name of that cell will be appear here. Okay, the next one is formula bar. Okay, the formula bar, whatever you write in the active cell, that will be displayed here. So it is denoted by the fx. Fx means formula. Okay, so whatever you write in the active cell, that will be appear here. Like here we are already selected the first cell, so whatever you write in the first cell, that will be appear on the formula bar, whatever you write. Okay, so the use of formula bar to edit the cells content. ओके जो भी आप लिखोगे उसको एडिट करने के लिए फॉर्मूला बार से हम लोग एडिट करते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ द सीड्स. Seed. Okay, just bottom of the page, this one, by default there are 3 seeds are there. Seed 1, seed 2 and seed 3. These are the seeds. Seed means pages of Excel. Sometimes it is also known as the worksheet, okay, or simply seeds. What is this? These are the pages of Excel. Okay, so by default there are 3 seeds. You may able to increase the number of seats and you may also able to decrease the number of seats. Okay, so and the combination of these seats are called workbook. Okay, workbook. Okay, combination of seats are called the workbook. Okay, so I think this much is enough for today's video. We will come with a practical lesson in the next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.